Hey, good morning. We're at the, okay, like I said, it's almost 6 now in the morning, and I'm waiting for a shuttle bus or car to pick me up from the hotel here to the Sapa bus station. I don't know if we call it the station, but there's a bus leaving at 7 from Hanoi, and it'll take me up to Sapa. It's 5-6 hours, two or three quick stops, and then we'll be in Sapa. So that's why I'm up so early, and it's a miserable morning out there. It's pouring rain. Holy, hope it's not like that in Sapa, but if it is, oh well, I got the gear for it. So, and the plan is to climb Fitness Man.
Đang đi đông rửa răng mà. Đang đi rửa răng mà.
Bánh mì là bán rong rồi.
You get assigned a seat/bed when you buy your ticket, and this one was mine. There's a TV, but I think there was only 1 or 2 channels. Buttons to control the different types of lighting. Handheld control to adjust the bed or sitting or sleeping position. Overall, a very comfortable ride. Alright, we just stopped some bus stations, a little rest area alongside. Oh, get a fuck out of the way. Bus is coming. So we just stopped here. This is our bus. Bus driver didn't say anything. He just stopped and jumped off. So, and then people started walking off. So I just joined them, and I guess it's just a bit of a break. We're here at rest stop number 2. It's about 10:30 when we stopped. It's about 11 now. So we're getting there. Starting to see some mountains. Liking that. The air is much clearer, less pollution, and we had some sunshine. So it's all positive. So this is, bus stop or rest stop number 2 on the way to Sapa. Just some nice big fucking mountains. I'm liking it. There's a couple thousand footers easy. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like inside this. It's nothing too exciting. A washroom, some food, a little smaller than the other one that we stopped at, but I'll just show you quickly. The weather's looking great. It was raining. arrived in Sapa. We're at the bus station here on the side of the road.
Hello. Hello, anyone entry bird line, good line to now. Anyone have a bird number 026?
Not really sure what's going on. The bus stops here. You pile out and you stand around. They ask what hotel. You tell them how many people, and then you wait. And then different little vans, cars, buses have shown up, picked up people, taken them away. I'm like, am I supposed to jump on one of these? So I went inside. Have a picture of the Google website of the hotel I'm staying at. Showed them that, and they said, "Yeah, just wait. A shuttle bus will come get you." So that's what I'm waiting. So I think all these people behind me are doing the same thing. Sunny though, it's beautiful. This is fresh air. See the mountains. So I'm liking it. So, right, wait for a shuttle bus and then we'll head to the hotel. Let's do this.